Welcome, and thanks for tuning in. I'm Brian from the County Library South Main Clinic Reading Room, and today I'm going to give you a brief overview of the homework helper, Brainfuse. Brainfuse offers live tutoring in everything from writing, Spanish, social studies, science, and math. To access Brainfuse, you're going to go to the library's homepage located at www.slcolibrary.org. In the upper left corner, you're going to hover over the Learning tab. Once the Learning tab menus drop down, you're going to go to the lower left corner and click on the Homework Help icon. This will take you to the Brainfuse homepage. One of the options with Brainfuse is you can create an account at the login. You'll need to create a username and password and have your library card. You don't have to have an account to access the live tutoring, but it does allow you to save your live tutoring sessions in case you want to review them later. So, tutors are available every day from 1 in the afternoon till 11 p.m. at night. So the first thing that you're going to do is pick the grade that you need help in, and that can be anywhere from kindergarten on through 12th grade. Once you've picked the grade, you're going to pick the subject that you need help in. That can be math, social sciences, English. For the higher grades, such as 11th and 12th grade, subjects like math will be broken down into specific areas like algebra and geometry. Once you pick the subject that you're interested in, you just click on the Get Live Help. Now, Brainfuse offers a number of different helpful features. One of the most helpful is the Writing Lab. At the Writing Lab, you can upload a writing assignment, and then one of the Brainfuse instructors will go through it and give you helpful comments on how to improve your work. Another valuable resource is the Skill Surfer, and this offers study guides on writing a term paper to studying for college exams. You can also send a question in if you aren't able to use the live tutoring. Another helpful resource is the Language Lab, where you can get help on your Spanish language assignments. There's also LEAP, and this is another avenue where you can get help with test preparation for tests such as the ACT, SAT, and the GED subject tests. Another helpful resource is the Brainwave. This allows you to record your work on a Brainfuse whiteboard, and this can be helpful for class projects as well as homework. There's also the Flashbulb, and this offers you flashcards in a number of different subjects, including health, business, and math. You can also set up a meeting in Brainfuse Meeting, and this is helpful for when you have class assignments. So Brainfuse gives you live expert help gives you a number of different study guides, and helps you collaborate with other students.